Starbucks is taking new steps to improve the mental health of its employees. The coffee giant is now offering workers a free subscription to the meditation app Headspace to help them reduce stress and anxiety. For more on this, we're joined now by Dr. Gregory Jantz, who focuses on treating depression and addiction. Doctor, good of you to come on. We appreciate it. So let's start with this. How much of a difference do you think a move like this can make?
Well, we all need that headspace, if you will, and work environment can be extremely stressful. But here's what my concern is. So much of our work stress is about the people we work with. It's the relationships. And so sometimes having a timeout from that could be helpful, yes.
And one question that arises for me, okay, if you're Starbucks, you give your employees the free subscription to this app, but are you also going to afford them that time away from work to be able to use that app, to have a moment to meditate and relax?
You know, we all need those points of renewal, absolutely. But that is a complicated, and we know that mental health right now is in the forefront. We have the depression rates. World Health Organization says the #1 disability in the world is depression and anxiety in the workplace. And we've been treating this for years. I know it's significant. But I also know that an app, as cool as it can be, isn't going to be the solution. So I'd like to suggest we need to find better ways as individuals of coping with the stress ourselves. It's a good, if you will, gesture in beginning, but there are some other things that we can be doing.
And you know, you talk about how many people are experiencing some sort of mental health issue of some form or another. What they say, 1 in 5 people. How do I know if that's me?
Well, one of the things by the way, a depressed person in the workplace is going to lose about an additional 25 days in a year's time. So this is significant. You know, if it's you, if you're finding that, first of all, you're struggling with issues of sleep, there's apathy, getting up in the morning and thinking about going to work is there's no energy for it. You're going to find that you want to isolate. And isolation means I'm moving away from people instead of towards people. I may even be doing what I call escapism behaviors. I'm drinking. I'm getting lost in the digital world. I may even do escapism, unhealthy things, misuse of prescription drugs, of course, alcohol. But I'm looking for a way to mood elevate, change my mood because things are stressful and it's not changing.
Doctor, let me ask you, you know, a move like this by a company like Starbucks, do you think this is more about them having a genuine interest in the mental well-being of employees, or do you take the more of the cynical view that says this is about improving productivity for a large company like that?
Well, we know if we have good mental health, our productivity goes up. If our relationships are healthy in the workplace, productivity goes up. Okay, I'm from Seattle, home of Starbucks. There's one on every other corner here, right? What we do know is I believe there is a genuine care about our employees because our employees are the front door of our success. So we do need to care about them, and it needs to be genuine. So I'm believing in the very best.
And one of the byproducts, though, of improving mental health means improving productivity for companies. Absolutely.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, we have to leave the conversation there. It certainly is an important one. We appreciate you coming on, Dr. Gregory Jantz. Thanks for your time. Yeah, take care.
You got it.
Thank you.